Tired of converting Figma designs to WordPress manually? Spending hours recreating every section, every manual conversion is painful. Pixel mismatches everywhere. Responsive breakpoints that never quit. There's a better way. Meet Figmantor, the AI-powered Figma to Elementor converter that does it all. Start with your design in Figma. Any layout, any complexity. Simply select the section you want to convert. Just click on your frame and you're ready to go. Open the Figmantor plugin right inside Figma. You'll see a clean, simple interface ready for action. Hit the Convert with AI button. Watch as Figmantor's intelligent algorithms analyze every layer, every style, In just seconds, Figmantor generates clean, production-ready Elementor JSON. Optimized code. One click to copy the code. Now head over to your WordPress site and open Elementor. In Elementor, import the template and paste your generated code. It's as simple as copy and paste. And just like that, your Figma design is now a fully functional, pixel-perfect WordPress page. Incredible! The best part? It's automatically responsive. Your design looks stunning on desktop, tablet, and 10 times faster than manual conversion. 99% pixel accuracy. Once ready to transform your workflow? Get Figmantor today and never manually convert a design again. Visit figmantor.com. Figmantor. Design to code, powered by AI.